I was lying on the floor at a local car show, swiping my GoPro left to right, hot glued to a plastic horseshoe. The guy stopped and asked me, "What are you doing?" I told him I'm shooting a video. He responds, "I see nothing down there professionals. You should probably leave it to the pros." That was the first time I was told that years ago. My name is Nick. This is my adventure in creating my legacy. Welcome to Beetle Media. Okay. It's no different than the one in the Cuda. Thing's like barely on there. It's got the power windows. Cruises beautifully, but what a floaty boat. Let me tell you what, when you're going in to take like just a normal corner, second gear is almost too low and first gear is like, well, first gear. It's pretty weird. Oil pressure's great, temperature's great, the air conditioning quit working, but it does have that option. That's not right. We're getting some overcharge on the alternator. And there really isn't a whole lot of gas in this rig either. We're almost there. One of the most pleasing vehicles I've ever got to ship. Just really does. I mean, it's extremely direct. It's all old school feel. This thing's really long cab. Such a joy to drive. Is it alright to leave the windows down?